individual definition, individual in a sentence, individual pronunciation, individual meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of individual. 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 Individual as an adjective means single or separate. Individual as a noun means a single human being or creature. Common usages in academic writing: an individual's needs, individual feelings, individual goals. Example sentence: individual adjective. In the wild, it is rare to see a mother prioritizing their individual needs above their offspring's. The common academic writing variations are individual, noun. Participants were allowed to register as a group or as individuals. And individualistic, adjective. Future studies can explore the relationship between individualistic cultures and their reaction to COVID-19. Please write a sentence using individual in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of individual, the meaning of individual, and individual example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.